Hey, Free Falcon here again. Going to be doing another blueprint. This one's a little more complicated than the other ones we've been working on. This one is going to be a full production from raw material to 15 circuit boards. So, this is with the basic recipe, which I think is still pretty good. Alright, so first thing we got to start off with is we need 3 refineries. We're going to be bringing it in from this outside. And how I like to line this up is I get it as far as I can. And then if you look at the this first little divot here, we want it just on the other side of that. So we can go here. If we go here, it gives us a little more room. So we're going to put that one down. And then we need 2 more. So we're going to slide that one in right next to it. And that one in there next to it. So this is going to be set to plastic. Okay. Alright, which means that we have to bring in some crude oil. So we're going to set that, yeah, we're going to go down all the way at the base. And we're going to go just past there so that we can set in. Now let's set this in, and we're just going to you can't use the control, it won't line up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to look at the floorboard so we can see that it's centered right around there. And that's just going to be close enough. This one's just past that one. And this one is right around there. We're just going to connect straight up. It looks like we're slightly off on each one, but I think close enough, yeah. And I'm farther back, I can see how we were estimated a little bit to those sides. That one's pretty close. Those 2 are still. We're not going to get too wrapped around the axle on that just yet. Alright, so now we're going to be looking at our outcomes from here. So let's go ahead and bring that down. And we'll pop that right there. Alright, we're going to be merging this stuff in here. We're going to be bringing everything back towards the case there. So we're going to dump this one. And we can go ahead and delete this row here in just a minute. So let's just go ahead and drop this one as well. So we get our mergers all lined up. Let's try. Alright, so we want the merger going that way. Put that there. And pop that there. And then we'll need to delete these out. And we are going to connect those right there. Now we can put them back in, and they will snap correctly. Let's think for that little click. Click. And right, so we got our plastics all coming in. We'll go ahead and set these. We're looking at, we need 90 crude oil coming in, and that's going to make 20 plastic. We're going to have 30 heavy residue left over, which we will cycle out. Well, let's get the rest of the flare stuff up first. Right, next we're going to need smelters. So we are going to bring it into the center And I think if we center right past that, that'll line that up pretty nice. Then when we snap these in, they will be going real close there. Alright, this needs to be set to copper. So we need 2 of these. So let's go ahead and place down our second one right there. And let's bring that on down here. This will be a splitter because we are bringing in on 2 different lines. We are bringing this in. So we'll be coming in from this side. Same as our reservoir. And we'll delete this one, and we will put that back in. Make sure we get it snap. And we don't need to run another splitter because we won't be doing more. So we're just going to connect that there. Alright, now we'll be merging. So let's go and drop us a merger in. And let's go that direction with it. And I believe we're going to be kind of like right up against that one there. Fit. And we're going to have one space between. And that should fit just right. So click. And click. And then be buying this there. Alright, so now we got our 60 copper coming out. Now we didn't need to convert that into copper sheets. So we'll put in our constructor. And we're going to try to line that up just as close as we can. And we need 3 of these guys. So we're just going to line up all 3 right here. Alright, so we got these 2 being merged. So now we need splitters again. So we will go here. And I think let's just drop this down just so we're being safe. And we'll be doing splitters. We need to have them facing that direction. Yeah, right there should be done. Put here and 4. I'll take these back out. They should snap together. Silver, and we should split together. I think we didn't get these lined up just right. No, that's how we want it, because we want the inside one still better than the outside, because it's more for what we're doing. Alright, so we're going to get that there. And let's take out this middle one, like just yep, it's a little bit easier. Snap that down. Alright, so now we are using mergers. So we'll want the arrows facing that direction and place that right there. No. I'll delete these 3. These and then connect up to the top. And you always want to connect to the top one first, because if you do the bottom, it'll have that space. So let's make sure you're connecting to the constructor and there. Alright, so we got our plastic coming in on this side, our copper sheets. So we can see that we're taking 20, we're turning it to 10, and that gives us our 30 copper sheets that we are going to need. Alright, and now we can come over here, and now we need an assembler. So if we place here, we can see, and we're going to bump it over, kind of line it on this right here. So we got, now we need to go up 3. And make a platform for it to do. And slide out at the bottom, which I think is about right there. Okay. Let's take those 2 out so you can see. I don't know that we needed those to be. Alright, so we got our plastic coming in here. And then our copper sheets coming in here. So if we take a look, circuit board, you need 15 copper sheets, 30 plastic, which we're making the exact amount of. Alright. And now we need to get everything up here. So we'll start here and drop this down. So let's take this first one back this direction. And then take this second one. Oh, looks like I did not get that one. Let's really set that one. Make sure that we all need up here. It looks like that should be better. Still don't want it. There, now it's done. And we're going to go right here at this level. Right, so I got this one coming in, and so we need to be able to split into that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to press, put in a splitter, and we're going to put it at this thing here. And that's, we can make that turn. Alright, and so we're going to go here, then we're going to go up here, and then turn this direction, and then we can make this right. There we go. We got plastic. Well, we should have 30 plastic here, 30 plastic here going up. Alright, so now we need to get from here to there. We're just going to do something real similar. I'm just going to go with the splitter. I'm going to just get it at this angle right here. Snaps in. Put that down. Actually, we're going to line that up to where it actually goes. A little bit. So. Let's line that with this. Okay, closer. this here. Turn that away. And connect that in right there. We just set our foundations back in place. And we got there. Alright, so now we still need to get these out, so we just come down here, there. Those out. Alright, so now we need a merge. So we should put a merger here. And we're going to take that unit right there. Got a little bit of room. There, and then we're going to bring that in straight across there. Okay. So they will come in there, come up there. Alright, last little bit, we need to get our we need to get our heavy residue out as well. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to set a pipe right on top of here. And let's take out. Let's take these out so I can see what we're working with here. Not that I didn't go far enough. So set this 8 here. And I think we're close enough that the control might work. Nope. Yeah, let's see it real well. And place that right there. Need to learn that click button better. There we go. That actually worked that time. Guess I needed to get it the right angle. And that isn't far enough, so let's go down. Oh, code here. That up. Right there. And and we are just about finished. Let's just go through everything. So we got these are set to circuit boards. And each one's makes 7.5, so we're making 15. And now we just got to connect everything to power. So I like to bring that power from underneath, set on the roof so we don't have any. So let's bring in here. And just connect to each one of these here. It's 1, 2, 3. 5, bring in another one. Suppose. Each one of these. And, two assemblers. And there we go. Very little wire showing, very little else showing. We have each thing coming. So we have 60 plastic coming up, then in. Our heavy residue coming out right there. We'll have iron ore coming in, ingots coming out, turning into copper sheets, which will then cycle up and go up as well. Then we have these two that are going to be coming down, merging into right here, and then popping out right there. And so all you'll see when you come through is this section here that has a nice little small footprint comparatively to what most steps would be. And there we go. It's a little complicated, a little convoluted. The logistics of it down here get a little out of sync, but I think this is about one of the best ways to keep it looking as nice as possible. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.